Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the watch face on the Realme Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the side button to wake the watch's screen, then hold down on the watch's home screen until the watch's face becomes small. You can now swipe from side to see all of the watch faces currently on the watch. To select a watch face, simply tap on it. If you would like to switch to a watch face that isn't on your watch, you can do so by going to the Realme Link app on your phone. Open the app and tap your watch's name below My Devices. Tap Face Gallery from the top of the menu. Here you can choose from a variety of watch faces. Tap on a watch face to open it, then tap Sync to Device to add it to your watch. It will take a minute or two to sync to your watch. If you add one of the DIY styles, you can edit them on the app before you add them to your watch. You also have the option to create your own custom photo watch face to add to your watch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme Watch tips and tricks.